Review Hub. Brand name Liectroux. Model number S11. Power W. Less than 800 W. Material ABS. Robot dimensions 240 by 240 by 80 millimeters. Battery 500 mAh. Control mode remote control or APP. Anti-fall control UPS system. Water spray 4-way water spray, auto or manual. Noise less than 65 decibels. Power 72 W. Motor type brushless. Input voltage 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Function 4-way water spray. Suction power 8,000 pas. Frameless detection yes. Voice prompt yes. Edge detection yes. Smart memory yes. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.